Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. The first one includes this bold red hair color and a haircut change. Absolutely gorgeous, loving this burgundy and red mix that the stylist gave her. She looks amazing. So we move on to the next one. So it looks like the stylist is adding in like a rainbow color variation. Wow, that is some bold rainbow colored hair. And then we move on to look number 3. So it looks like the stylist is going to be cutting some bangs with this one. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist added some beautiful fringe style bangs in the front. Gorgeous. Moving on to look number 4, she starts off with pretty long, I'd say mid-length, brow length hair. Wow, she ended up getting this beautiful lob with fringe bangs in the front. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. And the next one is going to feature another color change. Looks like some very bold pink hair. Absolutely gorgeous, nice mix of pink and rose gold. Then we have some highlights for the next hairstyle. Beautiful. This definitely has like a strong chunky highlight feel to it, which is very in right now. And then we have someone who has decided to go darker. Now this is something that a lot of women tend to do during the colder months. And then we have a haircut transformation. Looks like they're going to be getting an undercut style and a nice bob haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.